Hello mga ninja, welcome back to my channel at welcome dito sa fast run ng Resident Evil 2. Ito yung second part ng fast run natin. Last time, medyo marami na tayo nagawa. Naalak na natin yung 3 medallions. Nakapunta na tayo sa ilalim at pabalik na ulit tayo doon sa main office. And itutuloy-tuloy lang natin yung fast run. Sana nag-enjoy kayo doon sa first episode. And this is the second episode. Very nice! Ayan. So, kaakit lang natin galing garage. Then, pupunta na tayo. Kailangan natin mahanap yung yung electronic part, which is maraming sobrang kailangan. Sobrang dami. May mga zombie kasi dyan At medyo matagal kasi magbukas to, kaya kailangan ko silang bulagin. Kaya nahati kanina last episode. Siya nahati nung last episode. At saan nga yun? Saka ang kukunin natin ngayon ay dito ba? No, hindi dapat dito. Dapat tayo umakyat. Naliligaw na ako. Saan nga yun? Ay, pala. Pasan. Pasan mo. Dito sa kabila. Yan. Sa oras. Pwede naman tayo nagmamadali actually. Gusto ko lang talagang ipakita sa inyo na mas mabilis. Not actually a fast run na super fast run. Na kailangan i-unlock. Na-unlock na nga natin Yan. Tagal. Malapit na rin natin ma-encounter si Tyrant. Pangit. Bad yun. At lagi na siyang manggugulo. Wait lang Yes. Hop. So, mapaputol yung hagdan. Mawala yung access natin. Pataas ulit. Damn it. Dito natin makukuha yung Clover. Gulat lang talaga yung mga tunog nakakasar kahit matagal ko na natapos nagugulat pa rin ako sa mga hinayupak ito. Pangit doon sila nag-comment ng about this Unli ammo para mas mabilis kasi nga natapos ko na kung kaya naman to nang hindi Unli ammo, kaya kung na-unlock yung Unli ammo kasi nagawa ko, diba? Ito na. Makikita na natin yung pangit. Dito ba din? Poso. Para mamatay. O, diba? Very nice. Oh. May surprise ako sa inyo mga ninja. Kuha na natin isang electronic part. Isang electronic part na lang. Ito na. Ay! Ayun na siya.
Jesus Christ!
What? Di mo ko tatamaan yun. Ay, tinamaan ako. Bakit tinamaan ako? Bawal sumunod. Bawal sumunod ka sa aking daklan. Bye-bye. Ang bilis na maglakad. Pero, yun nga. Mas mabilis pa rin tayo. Bakit mo? Kahit anong gawin mo, mas mabilis ka pa rin kay Tyrant. Si Tyrant, si Mr. X, siya yun. Yung robot, sabi, robot na sabi din sa comment. Hindi siya robot. Siya siyang mutant. The experiment. Ewan ko kung ano siya. Ayan, may ligar pa dito. Hi. Whoop, whoop. Wait lang. Yes, I will combine this. Combine. Yan. Addictus na naman na. Heart pala dito. Lalabas ulit tayo. Babalik tayo sa main. At makakasalubong ulit natin si Liger. Kasi pinto. Si pinto. Ayun. Visit. Malas. Pag minamalas ka nga naman. Eto pa si Tyrant. Aray! Pwede bang kumain? Kasi hindi tayo makatakas. May ligar pa dito. Tyrant ligar combination. Tyrant ligar combination. Hanggat may tugtog siyang ganyan, andyan lang siya. Bad trip siya eh. Ay, nawala. Very nice. Lapit na naman ba si Tyrant? Oo, parang narinig ko na naman siya eh. Bad trip eh. Bilisan mo! Tandyan na yung malaking damulag! Last one. Nandiyan na yata siya. Hala, nasa likod niya. Alam ko nakakakit din siya ng hagdan eh. Tinry ko yun eh. Tapos nakakababa rin siya. Tumatalon lang siya. Wala ka. No, malapit na naman siya. Nandito siya? Very nice. Very nice. Look at. Nakakaligaw dito kasi ang dilim. Nandiyan na naman siya. Nasa taas to. Hanip na yan. Nakakapraning na yung mga pag-akit-akit dito. Lipat sa baba. Tama ba ako? Ililipat ko sa baba eh. Please, 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 please. Ano nangyari? Anong nangyari? Tagal ah. Tapos kailangan ulit natin ilipat dito. Ano ba yan? Nakakalito. Dito ako natatagal talaga kasi dilim talaga. Tapos yung gamit pa natin yung monitor dito sa akin ngayon is may isa pang kailangan na tool. Ano yun? What the hell? Andyan na siya. Ayun eh. Wala na. How come? Nakalimutan ko na agad ah. Bad trip. Nakapunta na si Tyrant dito. May isa pa dito, alam ko eh. Lilipat ko ba ito sa taas? Buti hindi siya nakakasunod dito, hindi siya kasya. Pero hindi. Yan. Very nice. Na-stress na. Lalabas na ang mga halimaw sa banga. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Let's go.
Hope I don't have to write a report on this.
Saan tayo bababa? Ang dilim kasi, nakakainis. Paglabas ko dyan, nandiyan na si Tyrant siguro. Bad trip yung damulan na yun. Yun na. Ay, nako. Kapal. Shortcut dito eh. Palapit ba tayo ng palapit kay Tyrant? Palayo. Shortcut yan eh. Shortcut ba yun? Nandito si Tyrant. Perfect combination. Dito ba yun? Oh, dito yun, dito yun.
What the hell?
Ay, dito ba yun? Kasi to. Niligtas kita. Kaya lang naging manananggal ka. Sorry. Ang dami. Ang dami yun. Bakit ang dami yun, ha? Oh, hi. Ay! Dito naman tayo sa mga ascals. Saan niya yun? Yan, very nice. Uy. No. Meron ba akong flashbang? Yan. Kasi I need that. Whoa! Ayoko may tumatak-tatak mo ganyan sa kalye. Bad trip eh. Oh, hindi dyan. Ay, ito yung problema ko. Paano nga ito? Bad trip to eh. Para makuha natin yung keycard na yun. Paano nga ito? Kalimutan ko na to ah. Holy moly. Ba't ganun? Ayan. Yun yung tatandaan ko eh. Yun! Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Makuha na kita. Kahit pala gusto ko, no? Gamot. Kahit pala gusto kong palabasin siya nung time na hindi pa siya namamatay. Hindi rin pala pwede. Kasi kailangan ko nung ano, electronic part.
That doesn't explain the rumors about the orphanage. I just find it way too coincidental Umbrella is one of the benefactors.
You told me this interview was about the new scholarship Umbrella set up.
Come on, that nobody cares about that. They want to know about the G virus
Where did you hear about this?
and a big fucking sinkhole in the city, which, by the way, rumor has it goes straight to your underground lab. Now, are you going to talk to me, or are you going to...
This interview is over.
Parang di ko alam yun. Okay na. Ay, ba't di ko kinuha? Yan. Escape the parking garage.
That's not good. Bastard!
Very nice. Ano, ba't nandyan ka? Nandyan ka. Nalobat pa yung battery. Bye-bye. Ba't nandyan si Tyran? Yun pwede. Boom! Tyran! Patay na ako. For sure. Very nice. Hey! Loko ko ah. Lakas ka? Lakas ka? Lakas ka? Ha? 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 Aid! Very nice.
Saving your ass. That's twice.
I didn't realize you were keeping score.
Look, this isn't a game.
Lakas niya, grabe.
Nothing dies down here.
Very nice, Ada. Nakalimutan ko na yung scene na yun. Forma niya, grabe. Ganda pa, sexy pa.
Yeah. And this. I was hoping you could explain what's on it.
Maybe.
Ganda niya, grabe.
After I hear it. Let's get out of here.
Yun na, tara na. Let's go. Very nice. La 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 la. Aba, unahan mo pa ako. Kaya ko rin yan. Unahan pa kita eh. Unahan tayo. Talk to Ada. Yoko, I don't like talking to strangers. Unahan na kita, boss. Unahan na kita, boss.
Is that the intel you needed?
Unfortunately, no. Ben didn't
Matakbo
come
din
through.
siya.
Well, what exactly are you looking for?
More info on the people responsible for this mess.
Akala ko nga dati si Ada tsaka si Jill isa lang eh. Si Jill. Pero mas maganda pa rin si Ada. Ada Wong.
Road's out. Going through that
Dito nga
gun
tayo
shop looks like
pupunta
the
sa
only
gun
way.
shop oh. Wala lang kami sa ano, police station. Very nice. Uy, ba't ka lumuluhod, Ada? Anong ginagawa mo, Ada, ha? Lumuluhod ka eh. Very nice.
What a mess.
Ba't yung kinuha yan? Marami ako shotgun. Ha? Saan tayo? Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Yes.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
I said don't
I'm not
move.
moving.
I'm just passing through. I'm gonna ask you to lower that weapon.
I kill you what? You're gonna turn around, go right back out the way you came.
Oh, yan yung side story.
I think your daughter needs help, sir.
Tell me how to deal with my daughter.
Drop it.
No! Wait!
Step aside. We need to terminate her before she turns.
Terminate.
La.
It's my fucking daughter.
Ada. Just let them be.
Emma? Sweetheart, I told you to
Drama
stay
yan,
put.
drama.
Yeah, Daddy's here. Okay?
Oh.
Those fucking things outside.
Sad.
What they did to us. You're a cop. You're supposed to
First
know
day ko pa
something.
lang.
How did this
Supposed to know ka
happen?
dyan.
Huh?
Siya siguro. Kakagatin na siya.
She was a sweet little angel. Mommy. I was sleeping, honey.
Wawa naman yung bata.
And I'm gonna put you to bed too, okay? Emma.
No, yun na. Zombie na yan. Wawa, sir.
Just go. Just give us some privacy.
Yes. Oo nga eh, numarang ka lang naman, dumadaan lang naman kami.
You know, it's one thing to keep the truth from me, but why him? I want to find out what's happening here and stop whoever's behind it. Helping people like them? That's why I joined the force.
My mission is to take down Umbrella's entire operation. We may not make it out.
Ganda niya, grabe.
Whatever it takes to save this city.
Whatever it takes. Parang si Captain America yun ah. Whatever it takes. Tara na. Let's go.
Heard of the
Bilisan
Umbrella
mo.
Corporation? They're a pharmaceutical company secretly making bioweapons. They have a virus. It turns people into indestructible monsters.
Okay.
That explains the horrible things I've seen.
Meron pang makikitang horrible.
And that's why I'm looking for Annette Birkin. She's the one at Umbrella responsible for unleashing
Much
the virus.
horrible.
I'm going to bring it down. This is how we get to Annette.
Based on what you
Find
said,
Annette.
the sewer seems fitting.
Well said. After you.
Gee.
G.
Thanks.
Virus.
Can't imagine a real scientist being down here.
According to HQ, this leads right into Umbrella's secret facility.
Diba layo na namin pero
Sewers are run by the
naririnig ko
city.
pa din siya.
How could they have a facility without the authorities knowing?
Welcome to corporate America. Umbrella's controlled Raccoon City for years.
Jesus! That an earthquake?
I sure as hell hope
Oh, yun na yun!
What the hell?
Lucky.
stay sharp.
He's sharp.
God only knows what's
I'm
down
sharp.
here.
I'm sharp. What the hell is that?
Again?
It's not too late to turn back.
No chance. You're stuck with me to the end.
No chance.
Ugh. You sure this is the right way?
Yes, this is the right way.
Unfortunately,
Unfortunately, patay ka. Pain yan.
Wait there.
It's a trap. It's a trap. Uwi na. Napiki. Nag-virusan.
get out of there!
Oo nga, eto na. Pinapunta-punta mo ako dito tapos get out of there. Kainis ka din. Ay, laki. Ang laki niya. Yes, Unli. Ang ganda na itong sila ko dun sa luma na PS1. Talagang niremake talaga nila yung galing. Very nice. Boom! Ano, ha? Ha? Oh! Patay! Kadiri. Ew.
Chew on that, you overgrown son of a bitch.
Nasaan ang nabasa? Grenade. Very nice. Nasaan na si Ada? Kahit na yun. Nasaan ang labasan? Ayun pala.
What the hell was?
Just get up here.
Ayun pala. Diyan ka pa din. Diba? Puminetics ka lang.
Can't say I didn't warn you.
You said the virus turned people into monsters, not
Not
reptiles.
Fair point. I'm just impressed you made it in one piece.
Eh kasi baka nagka-G-virus yung butiki dun. Diba?
Get this straight. Umbrella sells monsters like that to who? Our military? Somebody else's?
They don't sell the monsters. They sell the viruses that make them. And Annette is who makes the viruses.
Yung Annette pala na yun eh.
Alligator was. Annette is far more dangerous.
Annette pala eh. Annette naman oh. Annette. Dito. Diyan ba? Dito ba? Saan si Ada? Tagal, Ada.
Definitely William's
Si Annette.
Annette Birkin.
She's who we're looking for?
Tapos na.
Much time. Need to dispose of it. We're here for the G virus.
That's not gonna happen.
I'm warning you, Doctor.
Oh, yeah?
Hey!
Stop!
Sus, sana binaril nyo na. Ay, tinamaan si Leon. Yun pala yun. Yun pala yun. Yun pala
Did you expect that from
yun.
a scientist? Leon.
Forget about me. Just go. Stop her before she gets away.
Okay. Okay.
I'm right outside the facility, in pursuit of a net. If it's not on her, it must be in the nest.
Ada, grabe.
Once it's in hand,
Asian
I'll
ba
call
si
for
Ada?
instruction.
Mukha siyang Asian eh. Rrr, rrr. So, injured si
Run with the net, but
Leon.
you can't hide.
At tayo muna, si Ada muna ang makokontrol natin. Very nice.
It's secret
Yes.
weapon time.
Secret weapon time. Very nice. Yung hacking tool nila, parang ano na yung Watch Dogs. Candy from a baby. Saan nga yun? Yun o. Grabe kadiri yung mga ibis dito, nalipad. Hindi mo lang natatakot si Ada. Kung ako yan, wala na, patay na ako dyan. Mas takot ako dyan kaysa doon sa zombies. Huwag lang silang lilipad. Yeah! Oh my god. Ay! Bobo. Dito ay hindi tayo unli amo, kaya mahirap ito. Hindi naman ganun kahirap. Eto. Yan. Very nice. Yan o. Kailangan paakatin natin. Hi. Ay! I didn't see that coming. Very nice. Bukas na po. Ay! 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 Dancing! Ay! Nakagat! Nakagat si Ada. Nakagat po si Ada. Pinagat siya kung walang kwentang zombie. Nakagat po si Ada.
Got
Ay, hindi siya!
always been good at running. Even that.
Kung naririnig akong tyrant. Kung naririnig akong tyrant. Bakit ayaw? Kung naririnig akong tyrant. Ayaw! Ay, si tyrant! Ano gagawin ko? Patay. Ba't ayaw? Ba't ayaw bumukas? Hindi lang naman yun. Ayun pala. Bukas. At least bumukas. Bye. Tyrant! Labas, oh, diba? Ba't ba si Tyrant? Di ba pinamay na natin si Tyrant? What the hell? Nasaan ang unahan yan? Yung mga ganong under pressure na chuchu eh, no? Hindi yan eh. Hindi rin naman yan. Wala pa tayong pang heal. Mamamatay pa si Ada. Saan na nga to? Alam ko na, may bubuksan ako sa taas. Ba yan, Kaloy? Very nice. Sarap din sa kamay, ano? Yes, let's go. Tininin. Tininin. Yes, Ernest. Ay, sarado. Anet.
Bravo.
Ganda talaga ng graphics ito. Para sa akin, ito yung pinakamagandang graphics na laro ko. Ewan ko kung ano mas maganda sa kanila ng Detroit, pero the best talaga to, yung tsura ng mga mukha, detail, very nice. Saan nga yun? Very nice. Hi, shoutout kay Dloading8895. Hello din. Okay, accept ko yan naman. Chill. Yes.
Visitor clearance confirmed. Your ID is authorized until
October
1st. Please return before this date.
Ay,
Not gonna happen.
saan tayo? Saan yun? Oh. What the hell? Ada.
With this cat and mouse game.
The game is over.
You lost.
No, hindi.
Tell me, is your husband still alive? Or did you kill him so you could take credit for G?
Interesting theory.
You don't cooperate, I'll get a sample from the nest. Over my dead body.
No! Naglag na! Tubig yata yan? Oh, nadumihan na. Ay, nasaksak! Madugyot na si Ada, pero maganda pa din.
Where's Leon when I need him?
Leon, gising! 2 beses ka nang... Ba yan? Ang kwentang Leon eh. Yan, tulog. Need to find Ada.
Ada? Damn it.
Bad trip si Mr. X to, buhay pa rin. Pero hindi na niya yata tayo gagambalain.
Ada? Where are you?
Saan yun? Wala naman tayong panghack. Kalimutan ko na dito. Akyat? Akyat ba ako? Hindi, dyan siya umakyat eh. Doon tayo sa kabila, diba? It's locked. Ayun pala. Vovo. Yan. Save muna mga ninja. So yun mga ninja, nandito muna ang ating gameplay ng fast run ng Resident Evil 2. Medyo malayo na tayo, natapos na natin yung kay Ada at tuloy-tuloy tayo kay Leon Kennedy sa next time. Fast run to mga ninja, pero papakita ko sa inyo mga cutscenes para updated pa rin kayo sa story. Ako rin, gusto ko rin makita yung story. At hindi ko pa rin nakita yung story ni Leon A at ni Claire B. So, sa susunod, itutuloy natin to at dito ulit tayo magsisimula. Promise. So, see you in the next one mga ninja. May pulang pa kami. Peace!